Yan ay slide 1, ha? Slide 1 para video. Slide.
Meron ako ah.
Ay, ikaw na lang kung mag-send kay Slide 2 to 5. Slide 2
Mag-send ka na lang kay LJ.
Kailangan makita yung introduce yourself. Intro yan, intro. Intro. Introduce. Basta introduce yourself. Including your hobbies. Include your hobbies, talents, skills, interests, goals. Goals. Yan dapat makikita. Kaya pwede mo kong gamitin. For this slide 1, ang lalagay mo. Main, 7, slide 2, din lang klase ng about time and date. Yan, slide 3, your hobbies. Lalagay ka nila yan. Tapos, hobbies mo, kunyari, taking picture. Bakit ikaw yung mga picture na mga kinate mo? Tapos yan, naglalagay ka ng skill. Pwede mo rin ipakita ng drawing mo. Tapos, kunyari, yan, may dreams and goals. Yan. Pwede mo yan. Pero magkaklase muna ako, ang 15. Saglit lang naman yun. Hanap ka ng mga teacher doon, yung mga, for example, yung mga artwork mo, pwede mo sabihin. Kasi sasabihin mo, huwag mo na i-X! Huwag mo na i-X mo. Maghanap ka! Kasi di ba ilalagay yung skills mo, kaya yung mga habits mo. Maghanap ka ng picture mo, para may ilalagay ka ng picture.
This whole time, it wasn't like that. Now, you deserve each other. I'm a public figure now. People expect me to fly. Be encouraging.
Those shoes are all I have left of my sister. They weren't yours to give.
Yes, well, it seems a lot of us are taking things that don't belong to us now, aren't we?
You just wait a clump. It might be hard for you to comprehend. Someone like him could choose someone like me, but it's happened, and it's real. And you can wave that ridiculous wand all you want. You can't change it. He never belonged to you. He doesn't love you. He never did. He loves me.
Oh my,
Feel better?
I do.
Huwag mo na yung ano mo.